Children, today we will be doing the third exercise of the topic expression and formula. And in this topic, we will learn how to substitute the value of the given values of the variables in the expression, and then how to simplify those expression and find the required values. Okay, so we have studied this rule for solving expressions, BIDMAS, in which first we have to solve the brackets and indices, and then we will solve division and multiplication. Okay, and then last addition, and then we'll apply subtraction. So this rule we are going to follow while simplifying the expression. Okay, let's try to understand the topic, the substitution, with the help of a sum. And here this sum written, and in this sum it is given that work out the value of the expression 7a minus 12b, and here the value of a is given as 5 and the value of b is given as minus 2. All right, now what we'll do, we'll substitute 5 in place of a, we'll substitute minus 2 in place of b, and then we will we'll simplify the expression by using this rule, right? Bracket indices first, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Alright, let's see what the expression is. 7a minus 12. A is 5, b is minus 2. Let's substitute 5 in place of a. So when we do that, we'll get 7, 5 inside the bracket, minus 12. Why we are putting bracket? Because if it is minus sign, then it is easy to simplify. Without confusion, we can solve the minus sign. Like here, the value of b is minus 2. So let's write the value inside the bracket. Now we know that the minus and minus when multiplied will become plus. Alright, so this minus 12 into minus 2 will be plus 24, and 7 5 is 35, so 35 plus 24 it will be 59. Alright, so this is the value of the expression when a is 5 and b is minus 2. Please note down the solution. Let's see another sum, children. This sum is similar to previous one. Work out the value of the expression 5x cube minus 3y square when x equals to minus 3 and y equals to 4. So again we have to, now this sum is different because here the exponent is used. We have x cube and y square, and the value of x is minus 3 and the value of y is 4, right? So what we'll do first, let's substitute the value of x and y. So what we'll get, 5 bracket minus 3 to the power 3 minus 3 into y square it is written. When we put y equals to 4, we'll get 4 square. Alright, so first solve exponent. When we solve the exponent, what we'll get, minus 3 cube, it will be minus 27. Minus into minus into minus, minus multiplied by 2 times will become plus. Even times it will become plus, and when multiplied odd times, minus will come in the result. Alright, so minus 3 cube will be minus 27. 4 square will be 16. So let's multiply this 5 inside the bracket. So minus 27 into 5 will get minus 35. And minus 3 into 16 will get minus 48. So minus or minus will get added. Alright, we know that minus and minus will get added. So the result will be negative. So minus 35 and minus 48 it will be minus 183. Alright, children, please note down. Let's see another sum, children. Again, it is given that work out the value of the expression 2m bracket 10 minus 3n upon m bracket close when m equals to 6 and n equals to 10. Alright, so this is the expression given, and the value of m and n are 6 and 10 given. So what we'll do, we'll substitute the value of m and n in the expression. So writing m equals to 6 and n equals to 10, when we do that, we'll get 2 into 6 bracket open 10 minus 3 into 10 upon 6. Now this term can be solved first. So let's solve the term inside the bracket. 3 2s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So what will come inside the bracket now? 2 6 are 12 bracket open 10 minus 5. And 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Okay, and when we do the multiplication, 12 into 5, the result will be, the answer will be 60. Okay, so the value of the expression when m equals to 6 and n equals to 10, it will be 60. Alright, children, please note down the solution.